Okay, good morning, second PC students. Today we are going to the exercise 10.4. Yesterday, what did we learn? Vector cross product or vector product. So, what is vector product definition? First, A bar cross B bar is equal to mod A bar into mod B bar into sin theta into n cap, where n cap is the unit vector perpendicular to the A bar and B bar. Okay, 10.4. Listen carefully. Exercise 10.4. First problem. Find mod A bar cross B bar if A bar is equal to I minus 7j plus 7k, I minus 7j plus 7k, and B bar is equal to 3i minus 2j plus 2k. Find mod A bar cross B bar. Solution. First of all, A bar cross B bar. First we have to find out A bar cross B bar. A bar cross B bar is a vector. A bar dot B bar is a real number, means scalar. A bar dot A bar cross B bar is a vector. So, this is the procedure of A bar cross B bar. First, I, J, K. First, A vector components, scalar components. 1 minus 7, 7. Next, 3 minus 2, 2 plus minus plus. So, that is equal to first plus I into the corresponding column, the corresponding row deleted, the 2 by 2 matrix determinant. Minus 7 into 2, minus 7 into 2, minus 14. Plus 14, minus 7 into 2, minus 14, 7 into minus 2 also minus 14, minus of minus plus 14. Next, minus j, the corresponding column, the corresponding row deleted, remaining 1, 7, 3, 2, cross multiplication, 1 into 2, 1 into 2, 2, minus 7 into 3, 21 plus k into the corresponding k, corresponding row deleted, remaining 1 minus 7, 3 minus 2, 1 into minus 2, minus 2, 1 into minus 2, minus 2, minus 7 into 3, minus 21, minus of minus plus 21, AD minus BC. The A, B, C, D. Determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. Determinant of 2 by 2 matrix, this is cross multiplication. A, D minus B, C. This is the 2 by 2 matrix determinant. So, this is I into 0, minus 2 minus 21, minus 19. Minus of minus plus, plus 19j. Next, minus 2 plus 21, plus 19, plus 19k. So, that is equal to 19j plus 19k. So, that is equal to 19 into j plus k. So, this is what? A bar cross B bar. Next, we have to find out modulus of A bar cross B bar. Modulus of A bar cross B bar. Modulus of 19 into j plus k. That is equal to 19 into modulus of j plus k, that is equal to 19 into root of modulus of j plus k is equal to square of sum of components, j component 1 plus k component 1. So that is equal to 19 root 2. So therefore modulus of a bar cross b bar is equal to 19 root 2. So same problem, example 22, same problem, homework. Example 22, same problem, homework. Next. Find a unit vector second problem. Find a unit vector perpendicular to each of the vector a bar plus b bar and a bar minus b bar, where a bar is equal to 3i plus 2j plus 2k and b bar is equal to I plus 2j minus 2k. This is the very important problem, 3 marks problem, very important one. Okay. Solution. First of all find out a bar plus b bar. Perpendicular vectors of which vectors? A plus b and a minus b. First we have to find out a plus b and a minus b. A plus b, a bar 3i plus 2j plus 2k plus b bar. B bar is equal to I plus 2j minus 2k, that is equal to adding two vectors addition 3i plus I 4i, 2i plus 2j plus 4j plus 2k minus 2k 0k. So that is equal to 4 common I plus j. Next one, a bar minus b bar. A bar minus b bar is equal to a bar is 3i plus 2j plus 2k minus I plus 2j minus 2k is equal to minus 3i minus I 2i, 2j minus 2j 0 plus 2j minus of minus 2j plus 2j and plus 4k. So 2 common I plus 2k. So next a bar plus b bar cross a bar minus b bar. Cross product. A bar plus b bar is a vector, a bar minus b bar is a vector. These two vectors cross product. These two vectors cross product means so the 4i plus 4j, okay, cross product. So a bar plus first I j k, first I j k. Next a bar plus b bar. A bar plus b bar is equal to I component 4, j component 4, k component 0. Next a minus b. A minus b I component 2, j component 0, k component 4, plus minus plus. So that is equal to I into e I corresponding column row deleted, remaining 4 into 4 16 minus 0 into 0 minus j into e j corresponding column minus j. So corresponding column deleted, 4 into 4 16, 2 into 0 0 plus k into e corresponding column and corresponding row deleted, 4 into 0 0 minus 8. So that is equal to 16i minus 16j minus 8k minus j minus 8 into k minus 8k. So here 8 common means 2i minus 2j minus k. Why 8 common? Simplify, easy to calculate. Determinant of modulus of is easy to find out. So next one, modulus of a bar cross b bar, a bar plus b bar cross a bar minus b bar. Okay, the modulus of the vector. So that is equal to modulus of 8 into 2i minus 2i minus 2j minus k. So is equal to 8 into modulus of 2i minus 2j minus k. So that is equal to 8 into root of 4 plus 4 plus 1. So that is equal to 4 plus 4 8 plus 9, root 9 is equal to 3, 8 into 3 is equal to 24. Finally, what is the formula? Therefore, the required unit vector, the required plus or minus mod a bar plus b bar cross a bar minus b bar by mod a bar plus b bar cross a bar minus b bar is equal to, so what is the a power? 8 into, so 8 into 2i minus 2j minus k by 24, 8 1s, 8 3s. So that is equal to plus or minus 2i minus 2j minus k by 3. Next example 23. Example 23 also same, very important homework. Once again I will repeat, the second problem is very important, 3 marks question. Find the vector. What is the unit vector? The unit vector of a bar is, the unit vector of a bar is a cap. The unit vector of a bar is denoted by a cap. That formula a bar by mod a bar. This one. Here a bar is what? Find the unit vector perpendicular to the each of the a plus b and a minus b. A plus b, a minus b vector gi perpendicular unit vector. Perpendicular unit vector formula a bar by mod a bar plus or minus a bar by mod a bar. Okay, a bar by mod a bar. Here a bar is equal to what? A plus b cross a minus b. A plus b perpendicular. Normal unit vector means direct vector by modulus that vector. Perpendicular means what? A cross b by mod of a. Here two vectors are given. Normally the unit vector of a bar is only single vector, a bar by mod a bar. Here how many vectors are given? Two vectors. Okay, two vectors. A plus b is a vector and a minus b is another vector. A plus b is a vector, a minus b is another vector. So first of all we have to find out a plus b, next a minus b, cross the two vectors cross product. The two vectors cross product denoted by determinant procedure. Find out the 8 common because calculation easy calculation. Next modulus of that vector. Modulus of that vector. Modulus of that vector, modulus of 8 is equal to 8 into this modulus vector 2 square 4, 2 square 4 plus 1 square, this is 9, 8 into 3 equal to 24. So finally the unit vector perpendicular to the vector a plus b and a minus b is, so plus or minus is no problem. Okay, formula first a plus b cross a minus b by modulus of a plus b cross a minus b by modulus of a plus b cross a minus b. Only a plus b cross a minus b is what? 8 into 2i minus 2j minus k, but that modulus value is equal to 24. 8 1 so 8 3 is cancel. That is the a plus b and a minus b perpendicular unit vector is that one. Perpendicular unit vector that one. So this is practice, will practice, and 23rd problem in example is same problem. Both are very important. Compulsory 99% it comes 99% in examination. 3 marks question 23rd. Next third problem. If a unit vector a bar, if a unit vector a bar makes angles pi by 3 with I, pi by 3 with I, pi by 4 with j, and an acute angle theta and an acute angle theta with k bar. Find theta. First find out theta. Find theta. Hence component of a bar. Hence components of a bar. You know, in the previous class the angle makes with x axis, angle makes with y axis, z axis means what is the direct angles. Cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are called the direction cosines. Okay, one of the relation is there, direction cosine. Direction cosines have one relation, very important relation. L square plus m square plus n square is equal to 1. ORR cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is also 1. So here alpha is equal to pi by 3, beta is equal to pi by 4, gamma is equal to theta. So cos alpha is equal to L is equal to cos alpha, cos pi by 3, pi by 3 is equal to 60, cos 60 1 by 2. Next m is equal to cos beta, cos beta is equal to cos pi by 4, cos pi by 4 is equal to 45 1 by root 2. M is equal to cos gamma equal to theta. First we have to find theta. So therefore since means we know L square plus m square plus n square is equal to 1. L square is equal to 1 by 2 whole square plus m square is equal to 1 by root 2 whole square plus m square is equal to cos square theta is equal to 1. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So cos square theta is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2, LCM is 4 plus 1 plus 2, 3 by 4. So 1 minus 3 by 4. 1 minus 3 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4. So cos theta is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. So plus 1 by 2 for example. So 1 by 2 is equal to what? Cos 60. So theta is equal to pi by 3. Theta is equal to pi by 3 because cos theta is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 when 30 degrees. So what is the A bar? A bar is equal to cos alpha into I plus that Li into I cos beta into j plus cos gamma into k. So cos alpha is equal to 1 by 2 I plus 1 by root 2 j plus 1 by 2 k. So the components. Oh, the component, what are the components? Vector components of A bar is 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2. So, answer theta is equal to 60 degrees and components are, what are the components? First components L, components are 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2. Components are 1 by 2. In the three problems are important, but the second problem is very important question. So this is the today class. Tomorrow I will continue the next question. Okay, clear?